Okay, children, let's start with the fourth question. Write the place value of underlined digit. So place value chart. So I told you place value chart, after the decimal it start with the tenth and then hundredth, then thousand. So this is 300th, HUNDREDTHS, 300th. Okay, now here this is after the decimal start with the tenth, 5 tenths. Next 6 tenths. This is tenth, this is hundredth. 3 write the spelling of hundred, then add th, 300th. Now tenth, hundred, thousand, 8,000. Okay, this is the place value chart. Now write in the expanded form. So students, you have to write in the expanded form. What is the meaning of expanded form? Expanded form means you have to write the place value of all the digits with the sign of plus. So first of all, write the place value. This is ones, this is tenth, and this is hundredth. Now 2 ones mean 2, plus 0 tenth mean we will not write anything, 500, 500. This is the expanded form of the first question. Now this is ones, this is tenths, and this is start with tenth, hundredth, thousand. So 110 mean 10, 8 ones mean 8, plus 4 tenth, 410, plus 300, 300, plus 2000s, 2000. The next question is ones, tenths, hundred, and this is tenth, hundredth, thousand. Okay, this side I am denoting with the capital letter and this side I am denoting with the small letters. Okay, so 100, 4 tenths mean 40, 1 ones mean 1, 0 tenth will not write the value, 700, 700, 5,000, 5,000. Here ones, tenth, hundred, thousand. 9 ones mean 9, 1 tenth, 110, 200, 200, 3,000, 3,000. Okay, now come this side. Now here write in decimal. So they have given the expanded form, so we have to write into the decimal. So first of all, we'll write their place value. This start with the 100 places and this finished at the 1000 places. So we'll just write the first of all their places. So here ones, tenths, hundred. Okay, here tenth, hundred, thousands. Now 300. This is 300. 20 mean 2 tenths. 7 ones, 7 decimal. Now after the decimal there are 2 places. It's mean 100. So 100. After the decimal there are 3 places. Mean 300. Sorry, there are 3 decimal places. It's mean 1000. So 3000. There is no tenths. We'll write here 0. Now next question again. We'll put a decimal. 70 means 7 tenths. 5 ones, we'll write 5. After the decimal there are 1 place, so write 7 means 10. After decimal there are 2 places, means 100, 300. After the decimal 3 places, this is mean 1000. Okay, now move to the next one. Here also put the decimal. Okay, write ones, tenths, hundred, thousand, hundred, sorry, tenth, hundred, thousand. 6 is a single digit, means 6 ones. 1/10. Here they have not given in the decimal in the decimal methods, like here only, like this way. They have given in the fraction. So simple. 1/10. 1/10 means this is 1/10. 200, 200. 3000, 3000. Okay. So this is the method to write in the decimal when they have given you the expanded form. Now write greater than, smaller than, and equal to. So here we have like decimal and unlike decimal. Okay. Like decimal fraction and unlike decimal fraction. So students, there are two type of fraction. The first is like decimal fraction and the unlike decimal fraction. So the decimal fraction having same number of decimal places are called like decimal. What is the meaning of this? See these decimal numbers: 6.37, 118.82, 309.02. What is the common here? Decimal places are same. After the decimal, 2 places. After the decimal, 2 places. After the decimal, 2 places. Okay. When after the decimal there are same number of places, it means that is called a like decimal fraction. And what is unlike decimal fraction? Decimal fraction having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal fraction. See, here we have 3 decimal numbers. Here we have 2 and here we have 3. They are not equal. Okay, the number of places after the decimal, they are not equal. So this is unlike decimal fraction. Okay, so comparison of decimal fraction. While comparing two decimal fraction, first we compare the whole part. The decimal fraction having greater whole part, the part is a greater. What is the meaning of this? It means when we compare that which is bigger, which is smaller, we just first of all just compare the whole number. See this. See this. This is 14.298 and here 14.346. The whole numbers are same. Okay, the whole, suppose this is 10.346. The whole number are not same. This is bigger, the whole number 14 is bigger. So we will not compare any other number. We will just write this number is a bigger. When the whole number are same, then we will move to the decimal places. Here 14 and 14 both are same. Now we cannot recognize that which is bigger or which is smaller. Now we will see the decimal places. The first place is 2 and here first place is 3. So 3 is bigger. So we will move this side. Okay. So this is the greater one. So this is the way to compare the greater and smaller fraction. So here this whole number is same. So move to the decimal number. The first decimal place is same. Move to the next one. 6, 8. So 8 is a bigger. Again here the whole number same. Move to the decimal places. The first decimal places is 5 and here 0. So 5 is greater. Now here whole number same. Count the decimal places. 0. Here 0 same. Second 0 and here 7. So 7 is a greater one. Here the whole number are not same. This is 13. This is 8. 13 is a bigger. So we will put a sign of greater than towards this side. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Again we will compare whole number are same. So we will move to the decimal places. The first decimal place is 6, 5, 3, 9. So this is the smaller one. 1.369. Now return next. 6, 5, 9. 5. 1.579. Now 6 and 9. We'll move to the 6. 1.639 and the last one is 1.963. Next, arrange in descending order, biggest to smallest. Okay, biggest to smallest. We will follow the same method here. First of all, we will just check the whole numbers. See, the whole numbers are not same. Whole numbers are not same. Okay. So we will just see here biggest. Biggest is 15. So 15.0212. Cross it. Now the next biggest is 8. Now 8 the whole number. There are two number with the 8 whole number. Okay. Now we'll move to the decimal places. 0, 3. So which is the bigger one? 3. 8.391. Now the next is 8.009 and the last one is 3.095. So here, now children, for the question number 10th and 11th, we'll move to the next video. Thank you very much.